I'm not sure if I can go with you.
Mynd gyda ti.
Ddim yn siŵr os gallai fynd gyda ti.
Fynd o mynd?
In that particular context, after os gallai,
Yeah.
then it will soften. But don't ever worry about that.
Yeah, because sometimes it's mynd, isn't it? Sometimes
Yeah.
it's fynd.
Yeah.
Just don't worry about that. Just,
Yeah, what will happen is your brain is getting exposure here
Yeah.
to just correct usage. So at some point, your brain will tell you, oh, after os gallai, I want to use fynd instead of mynd.
Yeah.
And it will just do it without you needing
Yeah.
to think about it. It's one of the great problems of learning Welsh, that people believe that you have to consciously learn about the changes at the front of
It's like
words in order to be able to
and
speak.
trio.
Yeah,
It's like-
you never need to learn that consciously.
No.
You never need to be able to explain what you're doing when you're doing.
Yeah,
You can go and get insane lists of things and try and learn all of them so you say it properly, or you can just forget about
Yeah.
it and eventually you'll say it properly.
Yeah.
So
It's not worth worrying about, yeah.
do not worry about it.
I got you.
Hey.
Right.